Mistplay isn't available to everyone, and your age is one of the first things that determines whether you're eligible to use the app. By the end of this video, you'll know who can create a Mistplay account, why the age requirement matters, and what to do if you don't meet the eligibility rules. The first thing to know is that Mistplay has a minimum age requirement stated in its terms and account policies. If you're below the required age, you shouldn't create an account or provide inaccurate information during registration. Mistplay can request account verification if needed, and providing false information may cause account restrictions or other issues. Your age also affects access to rewards. Even if you can install the app on your device, you must meet the platform's eligibility requirements before redeeming rewards. Using incorrect account information can create problems later when you're trying to claim gift cards or verify your account. Age isn't the only requirement. Mistplay is also available only in supported regions, and the games you see can vary depending on your country, device, and account. That means two users of the same age may still have different experiences, because the available game catalog isn't identical for everyone. If you're helping a younger family member get started with mobile games, it's better to choose games that don't require creating a rewards account if they don't meet the eligibility requirements. Waiting until they qualify is much safer than trying to work around the rules, since account issues are much harder to fix after they've already happened. Before creating an account, read the latest eligibility information in the app and review the current terms if you have any questions. Policies can change over time, so relying on an old video or forum post isn't the best approach. The information provided during registration is always more reliable than outdated screenshots shared online. If you're already using Mistplay and need to update your account details, contact Mistplay support instead of creating a second account. Maintaining one accurate account helps avoid unnecessary verification problems and keeps your rewards connected to the correct profile. The key takeaway is simple. Meeting Mistplay's age requirement is part of using the app correctly, and providing accurate account information helps prevent problems with verification and reward redemption later. Check the current eligibility rules before signing up, make sure your account information is correct from the beginning, and follow the official requirements instead of looking for shortcuts. If this guide helped, leave a like, and subscribe for more Mistplay tips, app guides, and troubleshooting videos.